quiet dawn, 1,000 signs on a road we're drawn. A heartbeat, a smile, the sky so far. Every little one points to who you are. When my feet find the ground, when my eyes see the dawn, a simple song rises, I remember and I'm drawn. Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Praise in every breath, praise in every heart. Rivers whisper stories, stars keep the guard. Mountains stand in silence, oceans beat like a heart. Through joy and through trial, through laughter and through scar, gratitude rises, you are never far. Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Praise in every breath, praise in every heart. Forgive the slowness of what I try to say. If every grateful breath quiet in my way, hold my hand steady, the nights are long. Let my lips find truth in the simple song. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Praise in every breath, praise in every heart. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Praise in every breath, praise in every heart. Morning light, quarry stars keep their guard. Mountains stand in silence, oceans beat like a heart. Through joy